So you all know how much I love a good duochrome. So hey y'all, today I'm going to be creating my first look using the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz eyeshadow palette. So let's start off. Starting off with the Esch Beauty Black Kajal, I'm going to start along the lash line and create a little bit of depth and smoke because we're skipping on eyeliner today. And I'm going to cover the entire lid with the same kohl pencil and start to smudge out the edges. So the thing with iridescent eyeshadows is that they look much more better when they have a base upon the lid and then it's been put. It looks 1,000 times more intense, and that is exactly what we're doing. So starting off with the shade Aura, I'm going to start applying this matte eyeshadow along the edges of the kohl, and this shade is beautiful, and you know the mattes are extremely pigmented and very blendable. So moving on to Radiate, which is kind of like a cool toned brownish kind of with a tint of purple. I'm going to start blending out the edges, and as you can see, this does not look ashy on my complexion. It did not look extremely kind of chalky. It just kind of really blended very well into the skin, which is something I like. So we're going to start applying a little bit of kohl along the lash line and along the waterline itself, and then we're going to start to smudge it out using a small smudging brush. Make sure that the kohl is a lot more thicker towards the outer corner and thinner towards the inner corner. This just gives you a very beautiful shape on the eyes. And next up, we're going to use the same shade Aura and start buffing out the edges. So moving on, we're going to use the shade Blissful. Blissful is kind of an iridescent eyeshadow which has like tons of sparkle, and it reflects in brown and blue. So as you can see, it looks extremely intense and super sparkly on the lid, and it's got a beautiful shift. Let's do a thin eyeliner using the purple Gel Over Drama eyeliner. I'm just kind of creating a very basic line, and then I'm going to start smudging it out. So this would kind of add up for the smokiness which we lost with the shimmer. And then I'm going to use the Colorbar Zoom and Whoosh mascara, and moving on to the shade Self Love, we're going to use it in the inner corner. It's kind of like a pinkish gold inner corner highlighter, and there you have it. This is the completed look, and I would say that this look turned out to be extremely beautiful. I really couldn't capture the intense shimmer and the sparkle and the look on the camera, but trust me guys, this is extremely beautiful, and I hope you all enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for look number 2, and make sure you check out the review of this palette. I'm going to link it down in the description bar. So stay tuned for more, and until next time, bye.